Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Delaware County, eastern Hancock County, Henry County, southeastern Madison County, Randolph County, northern Rush County, northeastern Shelby County until 3:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Muncie to 10 miles west of Rushville and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Muncie, Newcastle, Winchester, Carthage, Yorktown, Arlington, Kennard, Knightstown, Cadiz, Ball State University, Sulphur Springs, Greensboro, Eaton, Springport, Spiceland, Dunreef, Mount Summit, Mace, Selma, and Prairie Creek Reservoir. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 228 and 251. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 109 and 133. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until